Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Power the earphones off and disconnect from devices to prevent short circuits. Once done, remove each bud from the case and hold them stem down so gravity helps. You should shake gently and immediately blot visible moisture with a lint-free cloth. Make sure not to push water into meshes or ports. Open the charging case, position both buds and the case upright on a dry towel, and move to a low-humidity, warm room for the next steps. Next, shift to active moisture removal. Place the earphones and case in a sealable bag with silica gel or commercial desiccant and leave undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours because slow drying preserves membranes. If you need faster evaporation, use low-wattage warm air at about 40 degrees Celsius or a steady fan. Never use high heat or a hairdryer on hot. If you spot mineral deposits or early corrosion on contacts, carefully swab with 70% isopropyl alcohol and a cotton bud. Make sure parts are dry before reassembly. After at least a full day of drying, reassemble and test charging and audio. Plug the case into power first to check charging lights, then pair the buds and play test tones at low volume. If one bud is weak, perform a factory reset and update firmware because software quirks can mimic hardware damage. If problems persist, distorted sound, no charge, or erratic mic, stop using them. Make sure to consult professional repair or warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.